Hello YouTube, Fix Pick and Lock. Right, today I won't be doing no locks. I just got a couple of parcels that I ordered. As most of you probably know, when I send out some challenge locks, I'll throw in a little screwdriver. It's along that lines. I've run out of them, so what I've done, I've ordered some more. And I think these are different colour. So we'll have a look. I won't pull them all out. So basically the same as these ones. They're red. And I've got a blue one. They do them in, I think, green and there was another colour, silver. Right, so that's one parcel that I've had, and the other parcel is a bag of these. I won't open it all up. I've already opened it, but there's 10 there. And well, as you can see, it's a torch. It's got two sections on it. There's that section, and I won't put it in front of the camera, but it is bright. And it's pretty good because it's got a little magnet on the end of it, so you can hang it upside down if you want. Sorry about the camera shaking. So what I'll do, I shall put them in with any locks that I make. That's about it at the moment. I've not made a video for a while because I've been a bit under the weather. I've still not 100% got over my operation, and now I'm getting all the bloody after effects with it, like swollen joints and feet swelling up like elephants, and pain in the arse. But I'm doing things slowly. I've got a box of locks over that way. It's a bit heavy at the moment. I'm trying to do some challenge locks. I've started cutting them up. I haven't labelled them yet. That one's pinned up already, but I want to alter the pins. They're just basic pins in at the moment. So there's another mortise one there, isn't it? Yeah. Well, that's basically about it. I will try and get some lock videos out, but at the moment I'll just put this one out today. I think the last one I put out was about 2 weeks ago, so I apologise for that. But say things have been a bit weird. Anyway, Fix Pick and Lock, thanks for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't, pass it on to your friends and enjoy.